fuck let all these birds in here? Who fuck put popcorn on the ground for these motherfuckers?
Hitchcock, you a movie for birds. I spit abstract surrealism mixed with the herb. Avian flu, my words viral, manipulate germs. Shock value like mouth to a curb. With every verb I prove action. Compound sentences, small fractions cause madness. You ain't shit, I'm still splashing. Raw rap passion till earn ashes turn gases. Sir Onassis or murder, I burn ashes. Only see fly shit, homie, like gold glasses. Snippy noses, this verse is a cold classic. And I hate everything about you like Kid Joe. I came from the dirt and dope fumes, and bitch no. You a pigeonholes, get no dough. I get low, shit goes in like tenfold. Chicken hawk, act too bold to catch blows. Hard rock, head not shit, the owls know. Truly profound, no clown, it's not a joke. Post foul mammals with rifle scopes that glow. Shoot your beak off, then hit the corner and flee. You birds act fly, I'm tearing both of your wings. Bird of prey shit, I'm tracking stars for the gold. Take it back to 40s and stick ups and hit the road. Nothing you could say could ever knock me, I'm chose. God intended for the alpha, the Noah's roll. You a fledgling, I'm vomit flesh of dead things. You can feed off the leftover food, I'll bless trees.
Ain't none of you birds rapping like Graham, you know what I mean? None of you birds do it like Graham, you know what I mean? Fuck out of here. Fuck nah, I ain't got no snacks for you motherfuckers.